As stated in our previous video, let's now make our students perform the activity that was demonstrated to them earlier. By implementing the zero investment innovative idea of concept explanation, let's find out how this activity will lead the students to derive a relationship between the radius and circumference of a circle. We will also lead the students to understand the concept of area of circle. Now, since the students are paired up and all the materials have been provided to them, let's begin by informing them that one student from each pair will represent the center while the other student will represent the point. Conduct the activity by asking the students who represent the center to stand still while holding one end of their rope. Then, inform the students who represent the point to hold the other end of the rope and move around the center one step at a time. Remind the students who represent the point to measure the length of the rope at each step. Also, ask them to trace their path using the wooden stick and chalk. Guide the students whenever required. Give each pair of students some time to form their circle. Once the students have completed the activity, we shall ask them to color the region inside their circle using chalk. Inform the students that the shaded region inside the circle is known as the area of the circle. Now, ask the students to observe all the circles and then initiate a discussion based on this activity. As the students think of possible responses, it will aid in developing their critical thinking and decision-making skills. Begin by asking each pair of students to tell us the length of their rope. Accept all responses. Then, ask the students to observe and tell us which rope is the longest and which one is the shortest. Similarly, ask them to tell us which group made the biggest circle and which one made the smallest circle. Allow the students to respond to our questions. We will then inform them that the longest rope made the biggest circle, whereas the shortest rope made the smallest circle. Conclude by informing the students that the circumference and area of a circle changes in line and in proportion to the size of its radius. Thus, with that, the students will now have a better understanding of the various components of a circle. Tune in to our next video where we will be explaining more concepts of the lesson as we begin with the second period.